Let's learn When My Baby's in Boots. It's choreographed by Marina Rude. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows and you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn When My Baby's in Boots. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side and touch your left toe next to your right. We're now going to do a kickball cross, kicking that left foot low and forward. Step your left foot next to your right and cross your right over your left. We're now going to do a step to the left, touch your right toe next to your left, and we're going to do a kickball cross with our right, kicking our right foot low and forward. Step our right next to our left and slightly cross your left over your right. Let's try it with some counts. Step to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do toe struts forward, right, and left. We're going to take our right toe, touch it forward, drop your heel. Take your left toe forward, drop your heel. We're now going to do 2 1/8 pivots over our left shoulder. You're going to step your right foot to the right side, making that 1/8 turn over your left shoulder into the diagonal. Recover onto your left foot. You're now going to step that right foot to the right side, make your 1/8 turn over your left shoulder, squaring yourself up to 9 o'clock. Weight is on your left foot. Let's try it with some counts. Toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do cross points in a jazz box in place. We're going to step our right foot forward and slightly across our left, point our left toe to the left side. Step your left foot forward and slightly across your right, point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do a jazz box in place, crossing our right over our left. Step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and step your left next to your right. Weight is going to end on your left foot and you'll be facing 9 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Cross point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a Lindy to the right and a Lindy to the left. So we're going to shuffle to the right, stepping our right foot, side, left together, right side. You're going to rock your left foot back behind your right and recover onto your right. We're now going to repeat that to the left, so we're going to do a side shuffle to the left, stepping our left foot side, right together, left side, and you're going to rock your right foot behind your left, recover onto your left foot, and then it will start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. You're doing your Lindy to the right and the left. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and then you would go into your side touch kickball cross. Let's try it all the way through, one time with steps and one time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're stepping your right foot to the side. Side touch, kickball cross. Side touch, kickball cross. Right toe strut, left toe strut. Step 1/8 pivot, step 1/8 pivot. Cross point, jazz box in place. Lindy, side together, side rock, back, recover. Side together, side rock, back, recover. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. Big step to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your step to the right. Side touch, kickball cross. Side touch, kickball cross. Right toe strut, left toe strut. Step 1/8 pivot, step 1/8 pivot. Cross point, jazz box in place. Lindy to the right, right together, right rock, back, recover. Left together, left rock, back, side touch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Step, touch, kickball cross, side touch, kickball cross, toe strut, step 1/8 pivot, step 1/8 pivot, cross point, jazz box in place. Lindy, side together, side rock, back, recover. Side together, side rock, back, side touch. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn When My Baby's in Boots. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.